Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna I left off at done greasing the front diff, so I got it just sitting in there right now. I haven't put no grease on it yet. I just left that open. I'm gonna take off these two shocks. We're gonna open the shocks up, and we are going to check them out, and then and see if they overfilled them. So that's our plan today. So let's get into that. And then we're just gonna put them right back in. And if we have to, we'll just drain a little bit. So I'm just doing this to sort of get these shocks out. Go like that. I feel like they're a little wet right there. So tighten them up too, you guys. If they're loose, that too, because these were a little wet down here. And I don't know if it's just the way they put them together, but tighten this bottom ring up. Okay. See how hard that's, yeah, see, I even tightened it up even more. So let's loosen that up. Yeah, it's all the way to the top. I'm just going to do a little pat with the cloth. Just suck up some of that. A couple little pats here and there. Let's put this back on. Actually, here's how I do shocks. I push it all the way up. See, this one you can't push all the way up because it's got the bolt up there. But I'll push it up 95% of the way. There you go. That's smooth. Let's see, we'll put the spring back on. And we'll put the retainer back on to hold it up there. Oh yeah, these are great shocks. They're so smooth. Okay, let's do that with this one now. You just overfill them a little bit, which isn't bad, I guess, but like they say, it's better to overfill than not fill, right? At least you can take some out. You don't have to go buy some. But you can see how these are all wet. So this part right here is either a little loose or that part up here was a little loose. Yeah, it's the top cap. See? So what they were doing is leaving the top a little bit loose, and that's what it was pushing out. Pushing a little bit of oil out. Yeah, it's all the way to the top again. So let's do that again. Hope I'm in frame here, guys. Yeah, okay. If you want, you can let them sit for a little while, but There's no bubbles in them or nothing. Like I said, go up like 95% of the way up. Put the cap back on. And then as I'm putting the cap back on, I push all the way up. And then screw on. See, I'm pushed all the way in now as I'm screwing on. There, I got no spring back. I'm hoping that's okay. Seems like those are. I think that's good. Okay. Those feel good to me. That's how I do it, guys. So I'm sure there's people that do them different. Yeah, see, those feel too soft now. That one feels really good. This one again. Sometimes you got to do them a couple times to get them the way you like, the way they feel. Yeah, see, there's a lot of bubbles in that one. I'm not taking too much out. So I'm going to let this one sit for a while. I'm going to tear this one down too because it sounds funny too and soft. Yeah, see, that one's got a lot of air bubbles in it too. All right. Let those sit for a minute. Let's try these ones. I thought that's how you did it on these ones. Maybe not because there's a little bladder inside there. I thought if you did this. Okay. Let's just do it that way then. Just lost a piece. So you can get it compressed all the way now. And it feels better. Feels a lot better. So let's try that. Yeah, much better, guys. All right. I was doing those wrong. I was doing them like my other shocks. Sorry for that, guys, but I just lost a piece and I don't know where it is. What did I lose? I lost that bottom part. Hang on. All right, I found it. Rolled back behind me. So we're gonna do that with this one then. We're just gonna leave it down. So you don't fill it all the way to the top. I don't know how good that is gonna be on camera or not, but it's not quite to the top, but it's pretty close. And that's how we're gonna do these. That's how we're finding out. Make sure that's all the way down. Try to get these started straight. There we go. We're getting a little spring back now. That's actually worked out pretty good. Those feel better now. Must have had an air pocket in them before. Okay. Much better. Just wiping them down a little bit. Get my hands greased. So, there we go, guys. And I'll show you on the next ones too. I keep dropping everything today. I'm just having one of those nights. So, okay. So, dog hair all over it now. Pull it all apart and clean it again. Okay, so there you go. So that's pretty much the front end. I'm gonna fine tune the steering by doing the camber in and camber out, and make sure the steering, each tire is straight, but that'll be after I get all the tires back on and all that. So we're gonna end this one here, and we're gonna come back, and I'm gonna slap it all together real quick, grease this area up, put everything back on, and then we'll start in the back and do the back. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and y'all have a good day.